someone online. Let's see. Can someone confirm if you are able to hear me or see me? Okay, let me just go ahead and check. Yeah, I'm online. Yeah, so I'm doing this stream very urgently because I was just going through my mail and I'm also working on a bug fix on my project right now. So I thought of doing it quickly. It's just to announce a new GitHub sponsor uh, for my GitHub account. So let me share the news with you. Really excited because I'll be able to do a lot of stuff with the support, and I don't want to keep it much more. Uh, what you can say? Yeah, let's announce it. So I'll just go to my mail. So I was just going through my mailbox and I found this. So now I have a new sponsor with $100 per month sponsorship, which is big, So it's by AppWrite. So they have been very supportive for many open source developers. And I was in chat with Hemantika. She's DevRel for AppWrite. Thanks. Hey, Eunice. Happy to see you, man. Thank you so much. Hey, Pradum. So yeah, they have been very supportive of very many different open source projects. And I was talking to Hemantika for, I think it was happening from last year. So she said, yeah, Santosh, I want to support your work, what you are doing in open source. So now it was all finalized. Of course, things take time, and so it was announced today. So yep, GitHub. So AppWrite is my new GitHub sponsor, and yeah, it's not a small amount. $100 is much. I mean, it's a big amount, and I'll be able to do a lot of stuff with this, of course, for sure. I've been investing some money into like sponsoring some other developers, and I have also started doing open source again. You might have seen some activity around it. So I just announced Wrangler Snippets dev last week. Hey Anuja, thank you so much. And I'm also trying to get in touch with someone from Solid.js community to work on another open source projects. And yeah, there is one more which I will announce later on because I have to do some work before I can announce it. And yeah, I'll continue to contribute to NgRx, which is a big project which I really like. And what any coincidence, right? This today is the day when I started doing open source. So I just completed 4 years. On my fourth year, I think that's a gift. So thanks a lot again, AppWrite team. So I just completed fourth year, or just completed 4 year into doing open source stuff, and I just received this sponsorship from AppWrite. And there is a blog post again which just went live uh, from the AppWrite team. So Hemantika wrote about this. Let me share it again so I can I can share. Hey Jay, thank you so much, Jay. Yep. So yeah, so this is the blog post they Hemantika just wrote. So yeah, as she already mentioned, yeah, we were talking about um, like sponsoring from a long time, and I would love to of course, I would love to support and give a shout out to Upright team for the support as well. And let's see how much more I can do. Of course, I wanted to do my Angular course. Of course, I will be able to like invest some more time there because of course $100 is like a lot of money, and probably I'll be able to support more developers and content creators, which I was doing before, which of course I had to cancel for a lot of reasons. After moving to a new country, you need money, and I was not able to support my sponsors or support the developers I was sponsoring. Hey Pavel, thank you so much, man. So I was not able to sponsor them or support them. Of course, now I'll be able to do that. As I already mentioned on my GitHub profile, 50% of whatever contributions or 50% of whatever sponsorship I receive will go to support some other developers. So of course now it's $30 which I'm already paying. So I'll increase it probably to 50, and I'll try to like manage the money for some time until unless I can pay from my own pocket. I used to do it from like pay from my own pocket before, when I was able to afford it. Unfortunately, not now. I won't be like able to pay people from my own pocket, but yeah, probably soon. Probably soon. I mean, I'll be back, and so let me show you one more thing which I did. So. Hmm. So here, so I just updated my GitHub profile as well. So now I have a balance of $89 per month, which is of course like I'll get after doing everything. What I do is, of course, I pay for some open source projects or domains I own, uh, which is totally open source. The project is totally open source. The domains are, of course, someone have to buy the domain. So that's what those domains are for. So I have like around 20, 10 to 12 domains, and around I pay around like €12 per $12 per year. So I pay, as I said, I support some open source projects, including NgRx, of course, Brandon, Addy, a huge fan of his work as well. And then Evan, who has been doing amazing stuff for Webpack. Joshua, of course, he deserves a shout out. Great guy. And I met him personally. And list, I mean, last not the least, but Anthony has been doing great work for Vue.js community. I mean, he is also involved with Nux, sorry, not Nux, but the build tools for Vue.js. And yeah, he has been doing a great job. He just moved to Paris, I think this year. So, but now I'll be able to and support more. So I have already have few sponsors. So Umer has been supporting me from some time. Anand has been a great support for a long time, and then Sunil, who is uh, sponsored for more than a year now, and of course Darshan, and now AppWrite. So, yep, that's it. That's it. Thanks for joining on the stream. I'll quickly go and try to solve my bugs, and probably join another live stream. We are doing another stream on third. No, it's not third. I think it's on second. Our talk shows. So if you get some time, I mean, you can join us. It's about yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's on second. It's on second, which will be doing on This is Tech Talks. Not This is Tech Talks. Yeah, This is Tech Talks. Sorry, another channel where we do podcasts generally. So it will be on 7 p.m. CT time. So yeah, but that's it. I just quickly wanted to announce it, and I'll just go ahead and tweet about it now. So thank you everyone joining, and Eunice, uh, glad to see you on the chat, man. I mean, yeah, whenever just receive a message from you, I just like, oh, my bro. And Pradum, yeah, thank you so much, Jay, Anuja, Pavel. Thank you for joining, and yep, see you everyone. Bye bye.